Mama wakwaba midin ede Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more names. Ebusuafo Duodo eya branti bia sebio nani ehuade na eba ne history nso dia oyade ye papa say ye sports history and I say politics mu history and waji mu King Kong. Na Duodo na ode warning way Emma Honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan a oye MP dema Asin Central na edensem na Duodo eka nsem okina ne se Honorable untumi ye His Excellency na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo na ne Vice President Dr. Bawumia untumi ye won foko bibia ni wa Honorable betimi aye inti sa showdown na wakan no kebe ya atwesan because untimi ye hwe and afen so osanso ede enkra we ema Honorable Alan Cash ne camp a wo kire say sa elections here course so na no Saturday Honorable Alan Cash nkunim dia wantimi endi anase nanima wantimi amba bebre no ejina ne communication team no so into one fanani ensure na ebusuafo denti na Duodo ka sense mu yina ye nyini se Saturday ye besi NPP for eto omo aba eye super delegates omo koto aba esone eye flag bearer NPP for mpanifo a omo April flag bearership position no just why 10 to koyi so okosone so nyame nchade wotumi 85 no na abato no ekoso no ene yana patututu ene yehu so Honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan phone etare naso ene ne kase mejidi so bia ehu video ni bi ene o kasa President Akufo-Addo memma ni showdown Vice President Dr. Bawumia memma ni showdown Honorable Adanya Honorable say one of a year polling stations no the agent bako omo apamelo one of pame na His Excellency na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and na Vice President Dr. Bawumia making sure bia na His Excellency kwa wada asem no nim ho hwe asem beto odwa no ene ebi mo twene se na ebi mo twena basa ne nsem ene nkofo aka de ebi mo support Honorable ebi mo so en support no ne no na Duodo ekres Honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan ombra fam on calm me down na onye steady na yo no nko na sebio NPP party no oyisika ewo mo omode eyade nti onye steady na His Excellency na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ontimi ye do foko yenti ensem a Duodo ede etudwa
I think say nipa omo communicate ema Honorable Alan Chiamatin no ebi say ora ya aboabia samwane hopes na doye no say omo na Alan ebeko so keep him as the communicated there then he is doomed o te Saturday na Addo akon office na Akufo-Addo ono election we special delegate conference now mo organizing role ben pa na Addo e play whether Bawumia would in an assuming without admitting crash say Nana support to Bawumia or we knew when we knew it has no repercussions on Addo. So why should you mention Addo disrespecting the president and say you give the president showdown for the way I think say if you want to occupy the highest office of the land also respect nipa na onu kutas opposition in this year because we cannot go when I'm a president to Ghana. God forbid whether you like it or not President Akufo-Addo will still play a major role in the 2024 election. This also Obama President Akufo-Addo showdown. Obama showdown. When you win and become the flag bearer of the party, will you need him on your platform to campaign for you, or you not need him?
I was for do my prediction be or the not dream fine.
Now, about to no go to obi twen abagina obi so
that is the notion say there is still time for this government and you know say one to and cause some direction
can question nipa omo kasa asem ni na argument na omo making senseless enya asem e say media cross so because me man te say obi koto aba obi di abagina na ti ana say obi akotwi tuo agina obi so say chinchina ana obi koso obi nsa say fa unsako team ha men found sentima. It is argument now it is childish. I don't expect people who are grown up people who have gone to school, people who claim to have known better to make this I don't know the adjective to even describe it.
Nipa tro my votes are by Dr. Bawumia votes. Okay, my main for the top 3. And I say,
answer now, Besheno. Are they not the same people who are almost like Casse, almost in their own argument, and then me honorable I pay no money at the Addo, I think say Adum TV, UTV near the Addo. And are they not the same people almost like Casse? I Bawumia, he didn't achieve what he wanted to achieve now. I didn't know when Timenia 70 or 80% now, more. So what is this argument about? Genuine and ingenuine?
No, I'm building it to a point. Say, Omujidi said now it is going to be opened. Nipa Babetono say, you know, more the grassroots, and so who appeals to the grassroots.
Argument we at 2014, Brian and Addo, Omoye special delegate congress na we win. No, so Omo be catch say, Ibinu why I share almost na party for ne fine kusi enti main congress no main congress ni do na Addo ko nanim. Emma, Alan de Accra reduce here. Into the almost yes argument. I think say Alan Chematin, he must be up and doing because Obi our contested at DOA 2007. Bepimene. Then Honorable Kennedy Japan come from nowhere to get 132. Mahmoud Bawumia, this is the first time on uncontested election biada. He come from nowhere and get 631 as a 609, 68 as a hearing. And you are not ashamed and you sit there and talk about this, say BDA genuine, BDA genuine. Who vote to a grassroots? Who told you say who vote to a grassroots? Campaign message now Bawumia any honorable Kennedy Japan Eddie Kono. It is catching, but Alan campaign and it is not catching because Alan Okwa Ongo Kashi no can near dream so.
And you are dream is what was said.
I don't want to do said dream is only the bed Alan so I say a bedroom is what a dream is how the meditate.
Honorable Kennedy Japan.
Yeah.
What do you think is working for him?
Let me tell you something. 2 days ago, 2 days ago, the same Kennedy Japan was holding strings and saying that he has faith in the Electoral Commission of MPP.
No need to add milk to that rich, creamy cup, which helps to nourish and energize your kids.
And that everything is clear. No kululu biya nim, no basabasaye biya nim, or G process nidi, wa G process natum. This is what he said. Okutadiye yellow mi enubi said, one more checky bibiya into one more compare kwe Japan. You ready say this election should go on because he has all the security things there. Or G2 say security near correct security. Mr. Kennedy Japan. Mr. Kennedy compare kwe Japan. With all due respect, the most powerful man in Ghana, please go unopposed as an independent candidate. Right now, today, you have shown that even the sitting president who has made you rich, yes, Kennedy, the sitting president Addo, who has made you rich, you are going to give him a showdown. And you will give the vice president a showdown. This is what we talked about and your shallow supporters didn't understand. We were talking nonsense. This is the thing we talked about. Say President Diye enye di otumi to enam de ma wo we ye. President Diye enye obi a otumi de wo ba ko school. President Diye enye obi a sebe wo be things come out self akoto aduane di. That is not a president. We told you people. We told some of you bloggers Jimmy Foni bi amugu social media Kennedy Japan timu pese mudi gu party say party no. And na ebubo ba no. When we talk of maturity, we are not talking about age. When we talk about maturity, it is not about age. Maturity is when you say penny die mante. And yansafu ATM yanope miye ya jimini enjai say jimie na ye jimino. Or penny die mante. Where your election po? Shedi oya no. Election keke. Look at what Kennedy Japan is doing. And this man told all NPP people, say, or the Mubeko